So we had our road trip, which is the thing that Liam packed for last week.
My favorite part was eating and seeing the butterflies and swimming.
Oh yeah, the butterflies. So we went to the bird park. My favorite part was the parrots, the beautiful, beautiful parrots. There's blue, red, yellow. They were gorgeous. Their habitat was gorgeous.
Guys, you have to look up.
We are.
There's lots of them. Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
I've been seeing the butterflies. I've been seeing the butterfly and give away tickets.
What was your favorite bird, Nathan?
Red bird.
My favorite part about the bird park was seeing the toucan. And the toucan flew really, really, really close to us.
Red flamingo.
Can you stand on one leg? There you go.
Look, flamingos. Look, down there.
Where are we gonna go today, Liam?
The Waterfalls. We saw a rainbow in the falls, and we made wishes.
We did.
When we got to vacation, it was Mommy's birthday.
Yeah!
Somebody brought a chocolate cake for Mommy.
Yeah, and we had cake for my birthday, and I turned, how old did I turn?
30. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy.
Okay, yay, where's my cake?
I did not get cake. I ate it.
No, where's my cake?
I will eat it.
Overall, our trip to Brazil was a huge success. We loved visiting the bird park, playing with snow in the mall that we don't ever get to do living in Paraguay, and just the family time, the sun, the pool, the relaxation was amazing and much needed. Goodbye, Brazil. We'll be back.